If you're looking for a way to drain or empty your DeLonghi Pinguino portable air conditioner, well, there are a few things that you may want to do first. So, first things first is you want to turn off and unplug the actual unit. So, start by turning off your DeLonghi Pinguino and unplugging it from the wall outlet. Now, this ensures safety before you begin draining any water. Now, next is you want to roll the air conditioner to a flat area, maybe near a drain, sink, or outdoor space where you can easily let the water out without making a mess. Now, look near the bottom back of the unit for a small drain plug or cap. That's where the collected water is actually going to be released. Now, some models have two plugs, one for internal water and one for continuous drainage. Now, you want to place a shallow pan, bucket, or attach a drain hose to the outlet. Make sure it's positioned low enough so gravity can help the water flow out easily. Now, you want to go and just unscrew or pull out the drain plug slowly to release the water. Allow it to flow until no more water comes out. If you're using a hose, let it drain completely before the attaching it. Now, once the unit is drained, put the plug or cap back securely. Then plug it in the air conditioner and power it on. And it's now ready to cool again without water buildup. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.